In this video, I'll show you how to find a missing folder in Outlook. Whether a folder is hidden or just hard to locate, these simple steps will help. First, go to Outlook.com and click Sign In. Enter your email and password, then click Next to access your Outlook dashboard. Once logged in, go to the View tab in the upper left corner. Here, click on Folder pane and make sure your folders are not hidden. Often, missing folders are just tucked away, and making them visible is as simple as checking this option. If your folder still isn't showing, use the search bar at the top of your Outlook dashboard. Type the name of the folder you're looking for. This search will check all your mailboxes, calendars, and other Outlook items. To refine your search further, click the filter icon that appears on the right side of the search bar. This allows you to narrow down results based on different criteria, which is helpful if you have many items in Outlook. Following these steps should help you locate any missing folder and manage your Outlook more effectively. I hope this guide was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.